Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Uncle Tim. Happy birthday to you.
Now do a little dance, Amelia.
You ready for a little piece?
Oh,
You gotta try this.
I did.
You did. I was so little.
Yeah,
Katie, did you want to taste?
I do. Not one to turn tiramisu down. Sure.
How is it, Timmy?
Good.
Did I forget to bring the forks out?
Can we wrap it off?
It's interesting. It's a little different. It's always different.
Here you go.
I don't want it. You play with this. I'm gonna go home.
You have it.
I gotta go home.
You have it.
What's this? Still make it.
Turn around. Let me see the back of your hair, Amelia. Turn around. Let me see the back.
It tastes really good.
Wiggle your bum bum.
Kathy, you want to try a little piece?
Yes.
Yeah.